Hello there, welcome to my channel. Okay, in this video I'm going to explain to you about the expanding algebraic expression. So we start from here. Okay, this is the one I'm going to teach you, the number one, number two, and this is a quadratic equation expanding, and number three is this type. Okay, so we'll move on with the number one. Okay, for number one, the x here, when we multiply another algebra with the same term, all right, like a multiply with a, you'll be getting there a square. When you have a multiply with a multiply with a, now you see you have a 3a over here, all right, 1 1 1. Now you can add all and it becomes a power of 3. So x multiply with x, you'll be getting the x square. All right, you plus with the x times 4 and you'll be getting the 4x. All right, this is your answer. Now let us try the second question with the negative 5x here. Okay, and then we multiply with xy minus 7xz. Okay, now we have to take this, all right, the entire thing, negative 5x, and multiply with xy. So what you will get here is there is no number, so you can remain the number as a negative 5, and you can see here the x and the x here. Okay, you have 2x, so it's a x square, and you can put here y. All right, okay, next is we have to take the whole thing again and multiply with negative 7xz. Okay, always take the sign in front of the term. So negative negative will become a positive over here. 5 times with 7, you have that 35. X multiply with x, you have the x square, and you have a single z here. Alright, so this is your answer. Now let us move on with the quadratic equation expanding. Now we have a plus b, and you have a square over here. The meaning of square over here, it means that you have to multiply with the same algebraic expression. All right, so the formula here is a, you have to take the first one, multiply with the first one over here. Okay, a multiply with a, you got the a square. A times with b, here you'll be getting the a b, and here now we have to take the plus b, multiply with the a, you'll be getting the plus ab, and the plus b multiply with the plus b again, you'll be getting the plus b square. Okay, from here you can make a conclusion that you have 2ab here, and here we have a b square. All right, so this is your formula if you have this kind of question. All right, now let us look at the example here. X plus 5. So here you'll be getting x plus with 5 and x plus with 5. All right, so if you're following here, x is square, and then you just have to take this 5 and multiply with this 5, you got that 25. And then remember a and b, all right, a and b you have to times together and multiply with 2. All right, so we are going to do the same thing here. 2 multiply 5 and the x, you got that 5x, and this is your answer, guys. X square plus 10x plus with the 25. Okay, this is your answer. Now let us try with the negative. Okay, now we have a minus b, and then we square it, Now we expand into 2. Alright, expand into 2, and then we just take this a, multiply with this a, we have a square. A times negative b, you got minus ab. Okay, the same thing we do for this one. We just take a negative b here, multiply with a, we have negative ab, and we multiply with a negative b. Alright, so don't forget this. So we have negative negative, we have a plus b square. And then we can simplify this as a square minus 2ab plus with a b square. Okay, the only difference is here you have a negative value. Now let us try with an example. X minus 5, and then we square it. Okay, let us do in a shortcut way. Alright, so here you have x square. Alright, so here in the middle we just have to take this negative 5, we square it, you'll be getting the plus 25, because negative negative you'll be getting the plus. Alright, and then in the middle here we have plus with 2, and then here will be 5 negative 5x. So if we simplify this, we'll be getting the negative 10x plus with the 25. Alright, okay, let us move on with another example. Okay, let's say you have a different type of expression over here. So what you're going to do here, we just multiply as usual. X times with x, you got the x square. X multiply with negative 7, you'll be getting the negative 7x. Okay, when you are taking the inside one, please make sure you put the circle here to ensure that you have select the sign together. Alright, so negative 5 multiply with the x, you'll be getting negative 5x. Negative 5 and negative 7 together, you get positive 35. So here we can simplify this. You got x square minus, alright, so here will be negative 12x plus with 35. Alright, so this one is your fundamental of your expanding. Now we will try out some of the questions. Okay, this is the example of the question 1. Okay, first we have to do it step by step by expanding this, alright, and this one. So we have to ignore the negative sign for a while. So while expanding this, you'll be getting x square. Okay, then we put a 2 here, 4x, and then we plus with 4 square, you got a 16 there. Alright, you minus with, put a bracket, okay, and then the whole thing here. Okay, okay, the 3x here, we are going to multiply the inside, which is your 5x, and become 15x square, and this 3x multiply with negative 9, make sure you put a circle here, so minus with your 27x. Okay, make sure you put a close bracket there, and we simplify this and we open the bracket. Alright, so here we have x square plus 8x plus 16. We can open the bracket by multiplying the negative, so negative 15x square, and here will be plus 27x. Okay, now we have to select the same term. Okay, here we have a x square, here we have a x square term. Alright, so we make it into x square minus 15x square. Alright, now we choose the x term only, and we have x, so we have 8x there and plus with 27x, and then we have a one constant plus with 16. Alright, now we can actually compile this. Alright, simplify this one, you got a negative 14x, and here is a 35x plus with 16. Okay, this is how you simplify an algebraic expression. Alright, For factorization, algebraic expression, please click the link below. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you can understand from this video. Alright, please subscribe. Thank you very much.